Isa sa highlight ng Sari-Sari event this November 23rd at Vinyl on Vinyl ay nakalagay dito sa boxes na to. Pag binuksan natin yung mga boxes na to, makikita nyo yung mga one-of-one figures created by Arman Kendrick. Si Arman Kendrick is one of the artists assigned doon sa Sari-Sari at yung dinesign niyang card is the Ace of Spades. No? So pag nilapit mo yung card, it looks the same as the figure, diba? At pag kinuha natin itong mga figure na to, you can see the details on this. Yung base niya, it's made of acacia. Tapos yung figure niya, it's 3D printed resin and hand sculpt. So mixed siya, 'di ba? So there are two variants. First is the red edition, one of one yan. And the other one is the black version, as you can see. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo rin, meron siyang deck doon sa likod ng throne niya. In such a way na itong part na to, natatanggal yung lid na yan at pwede mong ilagay yung deck doon sa likod ng seat ng figure. So, pwede mo siyang isara and you can display the deck na kasama doon sa figure. Remember, this is just one of the 55 artists na kasali dito sa show na to, sa event na to. Again, you can check this out at Sari-Sari event. That's on November 23rd, 5 p.m. at Vinyl on Vinyl Makati Gallery. Yun lang.